Hello everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Anil Chauhan from Uttarakhand becomes CDS of India. Russia Western countries chaosed in preparation to separate their occupied territories from Ukraine. ISRO VSSC directors explain significance of latest hybrid rocket motor test. India thrashed South Africa by 8 wickets in first T20. Now news in details. The son of Uttarakhand once again got the destination to becoming the second chief of defence staff of the country. Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, a native of Pauri district, has become the second CDS of the country. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has congratulated him. Earlier, General Bipin Rawat of Uttarakhand became the first CDS of the country. He died in a helicopter crash the same year. Posting on Twitter, CM Dhami wrote, "Every Uttarakhandi is feeling proud by the son of Uttarakhand being appointed as CDS. He said that we have full confidence that under your able leadership, the Indian Army will set a new record in the field of national security as always." In the meeting of Ministers of State on Wednesday, CM Yogi asked the first question that who did not get work. On this, all the ministers of the state replied one voice that they have got the job. In the meeting that latest for about an hour, all the ministers of state were satisfied with their cabinet ministers and departmental officers. In fact, in June, Minister of State for Jal Shakti Dinesh Kartik had resigned from the post of Minister of State, expressing dissatisfaction with the departmental officers and alleging neglect of Delhi. After this, there was a stir from Lucknow to Delhi. Some other ministers of state had also complained about non-allotment of work. The counting of votes for the three-tier Panchayat election began on Wednesday. The results were not declared many seats even till late night. The counting of voters of 4,305 seats in 6 blocks in the district was done on a block-wise table of 277. There was a tight police security at the polling places. The winning candidates celebrate with their supporters by taking out processions. Till 7 a.m. results have been declared in 178 seats of village head, 89 of Kshetra Panchayat member and 2 seats of district Panchayat members. BJP Jitendra from the Kotwal Alampur seat of Zila Panchayat and Arvind Rathi, an independent from Narsankala, have won the election. Counting of vote is still on. Russia is preparing to formally merge the 4 territories under this occupation of Ukraine. Sources say that the referendum in these areas has been conducted in favor of Russia. However, Moscow does not see any chance of relief from international pressure to take the neighboring country. Pro-Russian administrations in Ukraine south and east said 5 days of Kremlin-backed voting called on citizens to meet in Russia. Voting officials appointed by Russia said 93 in Zaporizhia, 87 in Kherson, 98 in Luhansk, and 99% in Donetsk support the merger with Russia. Officials said they would now request President Putin to merge these regions with Russia. We'll be back after a short break.
इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा।
Welcome back to the Bharat. Yesterday, a powerful explosion took place in a bus parked at a petrol pump near the military post in Udhampur. 2 buses were damaged in the blast while 2 people were injured. Prima facie, it is being considered as a terrorist conspiracy. Army, CRPF and police have cordoned off the area and started investigation. Police sources said that the 6 buses, include a mini bus, were parked at the Bigra petrol pump in TCP Domal area on the old highway in Udhampur. As usual, the bus JK14 D 6857 of Basantgarh route has parked at 6 p.m. and at 10:30 p.m. there was a loud explosion in this bus. A park of this bus and the mini bus JK14G 5147 parked nearby also got shattered. The Indian Space Research Organization recently completed a successful test of what is called a hybrid motor. Conventional motor that are developed by the ISRO burn a chemical combination that it is in similar state as a solid or liquid. Example, they are powered by solid fuel and solid oxidizers or liquid fuel and liquid oxidizers. However, the latest hybrid motor uses a solid fuel HTPB as fuel and liquid oxygen LOX as an oxidizer. According to ISRO, the test of flight equivalent 30 kN hybrid motor demonstrated ignitions and sustained combustion for the intended duration of 15 seconds. The motor performance was satisfactory. The Indian Space Agency added, weather pattern are changed in the country. Southwest monsoon 2022 is returning after a stellar performance in the most of the state and signals the end of the rainy season and the beginning of winter. Talking about today's weather, there may be light rain in some states, including UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, while the weather will be dry in the most of the states. On the other hand, snowfall has started in the hilly areas and snow has started appearing on their peaks. According to private weather agency Skymet, light to moderate rain may occur in some part of the West Bengal, Northeast, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Arshdeep Singh and Deepak Chahar hit the South Africa's hard with magical swing bowling before difficult track ensured an easy 8-wicket victory for India in the first T20 international here on Wednesday. A target of 107 on a pitch with underlying moisture and more than waist-high bounce at times was a struggle before Surya Kumar, 50 not out in 33 balls, released the pressure created by KL Rahul, 51 not out 56 ball, and India won the game in 6.4 overs to go 1-0 up in the 3-match series. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.